Hey there everybody, this is me. I'm here to give you a review of my 4,000 points of DkoK of Krieg army. This is 4,000 points in 9th edition, so this might change when 10th edition comes out. We'll just have to wait and see. My goal for this army was not to follow the meta, it was just to try to get as many different types of unit as I could. And this is something I'll probably continue doing into 10th edition. My goal is to one day have one of every single Astra Militarum unit available. That's all the really obscure ones too, like just all of them, really. So I think I'll probably flash up my battle scribe list right now, just so you can see the 4,000 points. And then I'll probably give you a quick look at all the models. So first up, for the HQ, we have got Tempesta Command Squad. Station Forge models, for the most part. I added little jetpacks on the back, so you could tell that they're Tempesta Scions as opposed to anyone else. And then over here, we've got what I call Acadian Command Squad, but just because they have better rules. Then behind him we got our DkoK Krieg Marshal. And then we have DkoK Krieg Psyker, Primaris Psyker. Then so far those have all been Station Forge models. Next one is Ursula Creed, or Ursula Krieg as I like to call her. Beside her we have my two attaches. We have an officer of the fleet, and then we have a master of ordnance, and those are both kit bashes done by me from a few different files. And that is my 5 HQ slots. And next up we have my elites. These are engineers. We got 5-man squad with the mole launcher. Once again, the mole launcher kind of sucks, but I just wanted to have one model of it. And then we have ratlings, or just straight up snipers, because why would there be squats in the Krieg army? Behind them we have my bullgrins with both loadouts. We got the grenade launchers with the big shields, and then we got the mole with the little shield. Behind them we have Ogrins, they all have the Ripper guns. All those models are in Valor Corp. And then we have my Regimental Preacher, and we got a Regimental Tech Priest, or Engines here. Then we have Heavy Weapon Squad, which is 2 auto guns and a bolter gun. We also have another heavy weapon squad. This one is 3 mortars. Behind them we have field ordnance batteries. One with the Malleus, one with the Bombast. Those are heavy squads, or heavy weapon squads. Those aren't elites, are they? Oh well, I'll just keep going. We've got heavy mortars, Earthshaker, Medusa siege cannons, which once again, they kinda suck, but I had to have them. I think we have gone through all of them. We'll go through the troops now. This is 6 10-man squads. We have melter guns, 6 basic las guns. Then we have our Voxcaster. We have our plasma gunner. Then we have our Watchmaster with autogun. That is this game across all the squads. All 6 squads. Then we come over here, we have dedicated transports, we have Tauroxes, or at least Taurox proxies. On that we have Hellhound, which is another proxy. And to the left we got 2 Rugal Dawns. These are both fully magnetized, so we can take off all the weapons and switch them out. Then we got the big boys. We have my just finished Stormhammer. I realized this is a Legends unit. I didn't know that when I built it, but I don't care. I'll run it as the Legend version, or I'll just run it as a base Baneblade. I don't really mind, but I think it turned out pretty good. We got the nice black prints. Nice decals on there. And then some people are probably going to be angry, but in my guard list we've got an Imperial Knight, which is a DkoK Krieg Knight Castellan. This is once again another kit bash by me. And that is my 4,000 points of DkoK Krieg army. These are all fully 3D printed. A lot of the troops are station forge. Like I said, the Bullgrin and Ogrin are both Valor Corps. Got the odd Valor Corps in there too, like the Marshal. I think for the most part a lot of the other ones are just one-offs from different creators. The Field Ordnance Batteries and the Rugal Dawns are both Alpine Weiss. I believe this is a solutionless. This is like a completely different model from a completely different game that I, like I said, kit bashed myself. I think these are Redmaker siege cannons. This is a Station Forge Earthshaker. I believe these are both Redmaker heavy mortar batteries. And that is all the army. Well, thank you for looking at my army. I'll show you some of my upcoming projects. Because now that I'm done 4,000, time to get to 8,000. So I'll come over here. We've got 2 Tank Commander Lehman Russes. These are both the Mars pattern, so they got the tank rails. We've got a Chimera. We have got just some basic troops at the back. I'm going to add grenade launchers for 10th edition because apparently they're pretty good. There's also some other just small infantry back there. We have a DkoK Krieg Command Squad, which are the 4 horses, and then there's also a DkoK Krieg Commander in this little pile. So that'll be 4 horses and then an additional horse. Below them, we have Armoured Sentinels to be painted, 3 robot squad. And then below them, we have Scout Sentinels, which will be 2 of them. That is all my current upcoming army. And that is everything I got so far. Thank you for watching. I hope to make another video soon about what else I might be able to add. Got some pretty cool things on the way in addition to the ones I just saw you. And thank you. Goodbye.